Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the error 0x80070643 or the Windows Update error in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, we will begin with opening the services window. So to do that, open first your run window. Simply make a press your Windows R key all together, and then here we are opening now the run window. All we need to do is just to type services.msc. Once you have already typed it, just please click on OK or enter, and then you will now be opening the services window. So all we need to do is just to look for the three services: the Windows Event Collector, Windows Event Log, and the Windows Update. So to do that, simply select one service here, and then just press in your keyboard the W key, and then you will be brought to the W section. So here we need to scroll down and look for Windows Event Collector, this one. So all we need to do is just to set the startup type to automatic and set this to running. So please make a right click on that, click on properties, and set the startup type to automatic instead of manual. And then click on the start button. And then once you have done that, we can now click on apply and then click on OK. And we will now proceed with the second service, which is Windows Event Log. So just do the same thing. Please make a right click, click on properties, click on startup type to automatic, and since this is already running, then let's just stop this for a while. And then once you have already done that, we will now be starting it again so that the service status says running. And then once you're done with this one, just please click on OK, and then we will proceed with the Windows Update. So please scroll down and look for Windows Update. Please make a right click on that, click on the properties option, and set the startup type to automatic as well, and start this service. Once you have done that, we can now click on apply and then click on OK option. Close this window, and the next thing we need to do is to make a quick restart with your device. After the restart, just open the command prompt window, and we can do that simply by typing in the Windows search tab CMD, and then you will get under best match the command prompt option. Here in the right section, you will get this run as administrator option. So please make a right click, or just please make a click on that, and then you will get this user account control window coming up. All you need to do is just to click on yes, and then here we need to copy and paste the command that you will see in the description box below. So I have provided the commands there. Please copy it one by one and then paste it in here one by one. So let me just copy the first command, and you will do just like this: copy it and paste it, and then click on enter. The next thing, second command, and then paste it in here, click on enter. The third command, copy, paste, and the last command, and then paste it in here, and then click on enter. And after doing all those things, you can now type exit, click on enter to exit that window, and then the next thing you need to do is to make a quick restart with your device. Okay, so that's it. That's how you solve the error with your Windows Update. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye!